How to transfer schools. Make the switch from one college to another as simple as possible with these tips. You will need transferable college credits and acceptance. Step 1. Contact the school you wish to attend to find out their admission requirements for transfer students. Some don't accept transfer credits at all. If you suspect early on that you might want to transfer, take courses likely to be accepted elsewhere like English composition, college algebra or calculus, and foreign languages. Step 2. Speak with the school's admissions counselor to find out which of your credits will likely transfer and which won't. Some schools only accept courses where you got a C or even a B if the subject relates to your major. You won't be told exactly which credits will transfer over until you're officially accepted, but at least you'll get an idea. Step 3. Complete the application process. You'll likely have to send your high school and college transcripts. Step 4. Know what you're getting into. Financial aid may be more difficult for transfer students, and some schools require that you stay in a dorm or special housing. Step 5. Once you're accepted, meet with an advisor to find out which credits the school will transfer. If you're not satisfied, some schools allow you to appeal the decision. Step 6. Make the most of your fresh start. Did you know? According to the U.S. Department of Education, 60% of college students transfer schools at least once before getting their degree.